Hello friends, welcome back to the last video of this topic plane. This is the fifth part of the miscellaneous exercise 6 of the topic plane. Yes, we have seen all the questions from this topic containing the exercises, the conceptual topics, the conceptual concept and the miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so if you have not seen all the previous videos, please go through all the videos so that you will get all the concepts which covered each and every single question from this topic. None of the question is unsolved in these videos. Okay, all the questions you will see are solved in detail. Okay, so without any further discussion, let's start the part 5 of the miscellaneous exercise 6. So in the last videos we have seen the questions till I think 15. Okay, now let's start the question number 16. So the question number 16 says that what it says, it is about the coplanar of the lines. No problem. Show that the lines, first line and the second line are coplanar and find the equation of the plane determined by them. This is one of the important question and the formula which we have discussed, then 10 important formulas. Okay, उसमें से एक important formula है. So let's first write down the given information. The line number 1 is equals to I plus 4j plus lambda into I plus 2j plus 3k, and the line number 2 is r bar is equals to, of course, so r bar is equals to, we have 3j minus k plus mu into it's 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Okay, great. Now if I compare this equation with the standard equation, what I can get, the first part is always equals to a bar. This becomes my a bar. Let's name this as a1 bar, and this becomes my b1 bar. This is a2 bar and this becomes my b2 bar. Okay, perfect. Now can you give me the equation when the two lines are coplanar? What is the condition? It's very simple. It is that a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar, if this is equals to a2 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar, then only we say the two lines L1 and L2 are coplanar. If this condition is satisfied, then only we say the two lines are coplanar. Okay, so let's find out the b1 bar and b2 bar cross. Okay, b1 bar cross b2 bar. Okay, so let's keep this as a LHS and this as a RHS, and now let's solve for the b1 bar cross b2 bar. Let's have the determinant. It's I, J, K, and it's a 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is equals to, let's solve for this determinant. We have I into bracket 2 into 4 is 8 minus 9 minus j in bracket we have 4 minus 6 and plus k into bracket we have 3 minus 4. This is equals to minus I minus minus plus 2j and minus of k. Okay, so this is what we get the b1 bar cross b2 bar. Now let's take the LHS. LHS is equals to a bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar. What is a bar is? It is I plus 4j. Okay, so it's I plus 4j dot minus I plus 2j minus k. This is equals to 1 minus 1 is minus 1, 4 into 2 is plus 8, and k is 0, so it is equals to 0. So we get 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. This is the LHS. Let's take the RHS. So RHS may we'll have a2, that is a2 dot b1 bar cross b2 bar. Okay, so this is what we get. So it is equals to, let's substitute the values. How much we have the a2? A2 is nothing but this is 3j minus k. Okay, so it's a 3j minus k dot minus I plus 2j minus k. It is equals to 0 into minus 1 is 0, so 3 into 2 is 6, minus into minus is plus 1, so it is equals to again 7. As the LHS is equals to RHS, what you can say, the condition is satisfied, the step number 2 condition is satisfied. So we can say that the two given lines are coplanar as LHS equals to RHS of the step number 2. We say given lines are coplanar lines. Yes, given lines are coplanar lines. अभी next part में what we have to find out, the determine the equation of a plane determined by them. So on which plane they are lying, so that equation we have to find out. So the answer to this question is, let's say the step number 4, the equation of a plane which is having the two coplanar lines is given by r bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar, it is equals to a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar. Okay, you can take this formula or you can take equal to a2 bar b1 bar cross b2 bar. Okay, these both are same because just now we have proved that LHS equals to RHS, so you can take either above, that is a1 or b1, no problem, a1 or a2, no problem. Okay, but what is the left hand side should be equals to this one. Okay, see the above formula and this second formula both are same. Just replace this a1 bar by r1, that is r bar, you will get the answer. Okay, now let's substitute the values here. So this is equals to, so r bar dot, what is b1 bar cross b2 bar is, it is minus I plus 2j plus k, minus 1 2 minus 1, so it's a minus I plus 2j minus k, it is equals to, how much we have, a1 is equals to 1 and 4. Okay, so it's a I plus 4j dot I plus 2j minus k, it is equals to, let's solve this dot product, I dot I is 1 plus 4 into 2 is 8 and we have plus 0. Okay, so this is equals to 9. So what is final answer is r bar dot I plus 2j minus k. This is what we get the final answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So r bar dot oh, we have done a mistake here. Our b1 bar cross b2 bar is nothing but it's a minus. Okay, so I have taken here plus, so it should be equals to minus. Okay, so let me verify, cross verify this. So it is equals to I dot I is माइनस एन, वही बोला मैं कि भाई ऊपर माइनस ऊपर अपना 7 आया था तो नीचे क्यों 9 आ रहा है. ओके, सो बोथ शुड बी सेम, सो इट शुड बी minus 1 plus 8 plus 0, so it is equals to 7. Okay, so that's what you get the final answer. This is the equation of a plane which has the above two lines on it. Okay, great. So I hope you have understood this question. Perfect. So let's now move to the next question. The question number 17. Find the distance of the given point from the plane. Okay, these are the distance formula based questions and these are also very important. See, the next questions which we have solved in the previous and this video, these all you can expect in your main exam. Okay, these all are concept based questions. So let's see what they have given is, find the distance of a point. This is what the point is. A in bracket, what I can get is 3 comma 3 comma 1 from the plane r bar dot. The plane equation is nothing but r bar dot, it's a 2i plus 3j plus 6k, it is equals to 21. This is step number 1. See, I have given you the Cartesian form of this distance formula to find the distance of a plane from the point, and that is equals to the distance d is equals to determinant of, that is a modulus of, you can say modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d whole divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is what the formula for the distance of a point from the plane, and I highly recommend that you should use this formula only. because see, the vector form is bit difficult. So what is the vector form is, so first you have to convert the given equation of line in the normal form, which is nothing but r bar dot n cap is equals to p. okay, इसमें पहला convert करो, उसके बाद we will get the distance, that is d is equals to mod of p minus mod of a bar dot n cap. okay, so this is what the equation of a distance of a point from the plane. okay, so this formula is very similar to our distance of point from the line, where we get the ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. It is the same equation of the distance formula. okay, so it is a bit difficult to remember, and also this is a very big task to convert the given equation into this normal form. okay, so I recommend you, all of you, to please go through this Cartesian form only. okay, perfect. So in this, our task is to convert this equation into Cartesian form, and which is very simple, which we have already seen. okay, what is the given equation? It's r bar dot 2i plus 3j plus 6k equals to 21. Convert into Cartesian form. So what you will get? I will get, it's a 2x plus 3y plus 6z minus 21 equals to 0. This becomes my Cartesian equation. And what is the equation of a plane they have point they have given, which is nothing but 3 comma 3 comma 1. okay, the point A is in bracket 3 comma 3 comma 1. Now I want to find the distance of this point from this plane. So that distance d is equals to क्या हो जाएगा अभी? It's ax1 plus by1 plus cz1. I am using this formula. okay, okay, x1 y1 z1 are nothing but the coordinate of the point A. okay, so it's a 2 into x1 is how much? It's a 3 plus 3 into y1 is how much? It's again 3 plus 6 into how much z we have is, it's 1 minus 21 whole divided by root of a square plus b square plus a square. A square is 4, b square is 9, c square is 36. okay, so this is equals to, let's solve this. What you will get? So 2 into 3 becomes 6 plus 3 into 3 is 9 plus 6 minus 21 divided by root of, we have 36 plus 4 40 plus 9 is 49, which is equals to, in the numerator we'll have it's a 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 21. great. okay, so ये हो गया अपना 0, so it's a 7, so this is nothing but 0 units. So how much distance you get of this point? So the distance d, which is equals to 0 units. That's it. This is what my final answer is. okay, great. Again I am telling you, if you solve the same equation, the same question with the help of this formula, it will take much more time comparatively. okay, and you have so many manipulations, calculations in that. okay, so it's good to proceed with the Cartesian form. okay, great. So let's see the next question, which is the question number 18. So it says that, okay, again it is based on the distance formula. Now you will solve this definitely. Find the distance of this point. So this is what the point A is given from the plane. okay, chalo, let's directly write down the distance formula, which is equals to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now let's substitute the values here. So it's a mod of, so it's a is how much? It's a 3 into 13 plus 4 into 13, and we have c is minus 12 into z is again minus 13, and d is knows d here, so it is equals to 0 रहेगा. So divided by root of a square is what? It is 9, b square is 16 plus c square is 144. okay, now let's solve this numerator. So 13 into 3 आ गया मेरा 39, 4 into 13 आ गया मेरा 52, and we have minus minus plus 156. okay, 12 3 36, and ये आ गया मेरा 3 कैरी, so आ गया मेरा 15. okay, so it's divided by how much we get? It's 169. so 169 is nothing but the square of 13. So in the numerator how much you get? So it's a 6957, so it is nothing but 39 plus 52 plus 156, it is nothing but 247. 247 divided by 13, so in the bracket, and if I divide it by 13, so I will be getting it's equals to 19. Okay, so 19 is equals to 247. Is it okay? So how much distance you are getting? So the distance is equals to 19. This is what my final answer is. You can write units. It's a units. Okay, put it in a box. Great. Okay, so I hope you are understanding all the questions. Now let's take the question number 19. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the origin and containing this. 19th question. Okay, again conceptual question. Let's see the way in which we can solve this. Let's understand the concept. Find the vector equation, okay, of the plane passing through the origin. Okay, matlab a point is what? It's a 0, 0, 0. Next information is containing the line. This is the line they have given. So this is nothing but r bar is equals to I plus 4j plus k plus lambda into I plus 2j plus k. Okay, let me draw a figure for you so that it will be easy to understand. See, this plane is passing through the origin, so let's have this as a origin. So let's name this as a O, which is 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is the point O, and the plane is again containing this line. Let me draw that line here. So let's say this is the line. This line is passing through this point A. Okay, this is the our A bar. Okay, so this becomes my, let's name this only A. Okay, so let's have the different color. So this point is A, and it is having the parallel vector, which is nothing but I plus 2j plus k. So it is having the parallel vector. So this is what the parallel vector is. So this becomes my B bar. Okay, great. Now the concept is what? See here, if I draw this OA bar, if I draw this OA bar, and we have the B bar. So can you tell me, are these two vectors are coplanar? Means they are lying on the same plane? Of course, they are lying on the same plane. So can you get the normal vector with the help of these two vectors? Of course. If the two vectors are lying on the plane, then their cross product will be definitely the normal vector to them. Yes or no? Of course. So हो गया ना भाई, इतना concept अगर आपको समझ में है ना, then you will get the answer. You have all the information. Your plane is passing through this, and your normal vector is given by OA bar cross B bar. Okay, so with the help of that you can get the equation of a plane. I hope you are understanding this. Okay, here the O bar is nothing but, that is the plane through which, the point through which our line is passing is O bar is nothing but 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay, and what is the normal vector you can get here is, normal vector is nothing but OA bar cross B bar. This is what the normal vector is. Okay, and what is the direction ratio? So you will get, it is in the, it's a cap. So n cap will be equals to what? It is a OA bar cross B bar divided by mod of OA bar cross B bar. So you will get here the direction ratio of this normal vector. Okay, so I hope you are getting this. Now let's solve the equation. So first you take the OA bar. OA bar, how much you will get? OA bar is nothing but I plus 4j plus k. Okay, and what is B bar is? B bar is nothing but I plus 2j plus k. Now let's solve the cross product. So that we'll get the n bar, which is nothing but I j k. You will get 1 4 1 1 2 1. Okay, which is equals to, solve this, for I you will get 4 minus 2, and minus j you will get is a 0, and plus k you will get as a 2 minus 4. So it is nothing but 2i minus 0j minus 2k. So it is nothing but 2i minus 2k. This is what we get the n bar. So now let's substitute the standard equation of the plane, which is nothing but r bar dot a bar is equals to, sorry, r bar dot n bar is equals to a bar dot n bar. Okay, so r bar dot, what is n bar is? N bar is nothing but the cross product, which is nothing but 2i minus 2k. So it is equals to, what is a bar is? A bar is nothing but 0. Okay, see, this is what we get, the a bar. Now here we, in this case, the a bar is nothing but the origin through which your plane is passing. So it becomes 0 bar dot n bar, which is nothing but 0 bar only. So let's substitute. So it's r bar dot, it's a 2i minus 2k, it is equals to 0. Okay, so vector form निकालना है Cartesian, so vector form में निकालना है. So this is what the final equation is. So you can take the 2 common and you can divide by 2 on the both sides. So you will be, it will be equals to r bar dot I minus k, it is equals to 0. This is the final answer. Okay, so let's have a box for this. This is my final answer. I hope you are understanding all the concepts. See, do not try to remember the things right now. What you need to do is understand the steps, how the next step is coming, how. Okay, perfect. Now let's see the next question, question number 19. So let me have the space for that. So question number 19 says, okay, ये हो गया, question number 19 हो गया. Let's solve the question number 20. Find the vector equation of the plane which bisects the segment between the, okay, very good. Find the vector equation of the plane which bisects the segment joining these two points, okay, at the right angle. Good, very good. I say this is the most important question of this whole miscellaneous exercise. Kyun? Because this is, see, the direct answer to this question you will not find in any of the exercises. Okay, what you can find is the concept. I have already recommended all of you that when you not get the question, what to do? Draw the figure. Okay, figure nikalo, from that figure you will get the concept. Okay, now let's draw the figure. Find the vector equation of the plane which bisects the segment joining this. So I have the point A here, let's say it is a 2 comma 3 comma 6, and I have the another point here, suppose this is a 4 comma 3 comma minus 2. Okay, so this is what we get, the segment AB. Yes or no? Yes, this is the segment AB, and our desired plane is bisecting this plane, bisecting this segment AB, means what? It should pass through this point, which is the midpoint of this segment AB. Now let me draw the plane. Okay, so we have this as a plane. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is what the plane is now. So let me draw this in the three-dimensional way so that it will be easy for us to visualize. Okay, yes, now I hope you are getting this. This is what we have now. Our this plane is what? It is the desired equation of the plane. Now this plane is bisecting the segment AB, means what? This part and this part both are same, and it is passing through this midpoint of the segment AB. Let's name this as a point M. Okay, and if this is the plane, can I say this is a perpendicular bisector? Of course, it is a bisecting at a right angle triangle बोला है उन्होंने, at a right angle बोला है, so it is what we have the right angle. Now for any equation of a plane, what you require? I require two parameters. One is the point through which our plane is passing. Now in this case, can you tell me which point through which our plane is passing? This is point is nothing but M. The another parameter I require is the normal vector. Normal vector to the plane, matlab perpendicular vector. So from this figure again, can you give me the normal vector? This is nothing but AB bar. That's very good, boss. That's very great. Okay, so just drawing the figure, I'll get the concept. Okay, now let's say, now what is the equation of this desired plane then? So it is r bar dot AB bar, R bar dot AB bar is equals to M bar dot AB bar. Yes or no? That is what this standard form is. R bar dot N bar is equals to A bar dot N bar is what our standard equation is. Okay, so this is my N bar and this becomes my A bar. Now let's find out the M bar first. How we will find the M bar? M is nothing but the midpoint of the segment AB. So M bar will be equals to, it is A bar plus B bar by 2. Okay, so let's solve this. A bar is how much? We have 2i plus 3j plus 6k plus 4i plus 3j minus 2k whole divided by 2. This is equals to, so 2 plus 4 becomes 6i, 3j plus 3j becomes 6j, and 6 minus 2k becomes plus 4k whole divided by 2. This is nothing but 3i plus 3j plus 2k. This is what we get the M bar. So now let's solve for this AB bar. So AB bar is equals to B bar minus A bar. So B bar is how much? It's a 4 minus 2 I plus, it's a 3 minus 3 j plus we have minus 2 minus 6 k. Okay, so this is nothing but 2i plus 0j minus 8k, and it is equals to 2i plus minus 8k. This is what we get the AB bar, and this is equals to N bar. Okay, now let's substitute in this equation and you will get the final answer. Okay, so it's R bar dot AB bar. So R bar dot AB bar equals to A bar dot, sorry, in this case we'll have M bar dot AB bar. Okay, implies R bar dot AB bar is how much? We have, it's a 2i minus 8k equals to M bar is 3i plus 3j plus 2k dot, it's a 2i minus 8k. Okay, let's solve this. So 3 into 2 is 6, we have j 0, and 2 into minus 8 is nothing but minus 16, which is equals to minus of 10. Okay, so this is equals to R bar dot 2i minus 8k, it is equals to minus of 10. This is what our final answer is. Okay, you can further simplify this. You can divide the whole equation by 2, and from this you can get the standard equation maybe like this, which is equals to R bar dot I minus 4k, it is equals to minus 5. That's great. Okay, so you can write any one of these two equations as a final answer. Perfect. So both are my final answers. You can write any one of these two. Okay, that's very great. See, again and again I am telling you, if you don't get the question, you don't understand the question, draw the figure, you will get it. Okay, so let's start the last question of this video and this exercise and this miscellaneous exercise and also and this topic. Last question. Show that the lines, perfect. Okay, so what are the lines we have here is good. Show that the lines x equals to y and z is equals to 0, x plus y equals to 0 and z equals to 0 intersect each other. They intersect each other, we have to show that, and we have to find the vector equation of the plane determined by them. Yes, again I am telling you, to get the vector equation what we need the two information. One is the point and other is the, first I need the point, that is A bar, and I need the N bar. Okay, see, the given information is what? It is S1 is what? It is x equals to y and z is equals to 0, and this is the first equation, and the second equation is x plus y equals to 0 and z is equals to 0. Just by observation, what you can say is, these two lines, these are the both equations of a line, these two lines are passing through origin 0 comma 0 comma 0. Yes or no? Because they satisfy this equation, 0 equals to 0, z equals to 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 and z is equals to 0. Means what? These two lines are passing through the origin. That's all perfect. And again, in the both equation of lines, you will see that z is equals to 0. What it means? Z is equals to 0 means what? Your line is totally lying on the xy plane. Okay, so let me draw the figure so that you will understand this. So this is y axis, x axis, and it's a z axis. Okay, x, y, and z. See, this z part is 0. Okay, z part is 0 means what? Your line is lying on the xy plane only. On this plane only your lines are lying. That is x is equals to y and x plus y is equals to 0. Let me write that equation, these two equations, so that you will get. So this is what we get, x equals to y line, first line, and you will get x plus y is equals to 0. This is what the second line is, and this is of course z is equals to 0 is also lying on this plane. Yes or no? Means what? All these two lines are lying on this plane only, which is xy plane. If this is the plane, okay, चलो फिर से हम लोग एक कंसेप्ट लेते हैं यहाँ से. If this is the plane, okay, let's take this is the plane, bounded plane. What is the normal vector? What could be the normal vector? Of course, the z bar will be the normal vector. Yes or no? Z bar will be the normal vector, which is what? The perpendicular. This is my normal vector. And what is the z bar? This is nothing but the k cap, which is nothing but the unit vector along the z bar. अभी z axis है ना, तो उसका z bar कैसा लिखोगे? नहीं लिखोगे ना. So उसका डायरेक्शन रेशियो लिखना, that is the डायरेक्शन वेक्टर लिखना पड़ेगा. उसका है k cap. Okay, and one more point. So n bar becomes k cap. Yes or no? Then what is the point a bar? I already told you your plane is passing through the point 0 0 0. ये point है अपना 0 0 and 0. Okay, मिल गए ना भाई, दोनों मिल गए. So this is nothing but 0 bar. Both the information I have now, so I can easily write down the equation. Okay, so let's have r bar dot 0 bar, sorry, r bar dot n bar is equals to, that is a bar dot n bar. So r bar dot, how much we have? N bar is nothing but k cap. Okay, into we have, what is this? A bar is nothing but 0 bar in our case into k cap. Okay, so क्या बोला उन्होंने? वेक्टर इक्वेशन ही बोला ना. सो दैट्स इट. दिस इज व्हाट द वेक्टर इक्वेशन इज. सो r bar dot k cap, it is equals to 0. This is what we get the vector equation, and this is my final answer. See, the only thing we have to understand is the question. आंसर निकालने में कितना टाइम लगा भाई? 1 मिनट भी नहीं लगा. नॉट इवन 1 मिनट, लेस देन 40-60 seconds. Okay, but ये concept अगर है, then only you will get this answer. If you don't have the concept, no boy, we cannot solve this equation, we cannot solve this question. Okay, so always focus on the concepts, try to draw the figure. If you don't understand the question, just proceed with the figure. Okay, वहाँ से कुछ तो मिल सकता है अपने को. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed all these sessions, all these exercises, this whole topic, and you have understood all the concepts. Okay, so I hope you will do best in your board examination as well as your any competitive examinations if you have. Okay, so if you have any doubt at any time, you can contact me. My contact details are with you. Okay, and post your questions on WhatsApp. You will be getting the solutions right away there only. Okay, so with this we will stop here, and from the next class onwards we will be dealing with the last topic of your mathematics, which is the linear programming problems. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.